Are you tired of paying a lot of money for fly spray? Well, today I'm going to show you how to make your own fly spray. All you will need is white vinegar, some kind of pine cleaner, some kind of mouthwash like Listerine, and permethrin. In order to do this, it's going to help if you have a measuring cup and a funnel. 1 gallon of vinegar will make 2 gallons of fly spray. You're going to use a fourth of this, 1 ounce of this. Then we're going to put it in there and you'll see how it all works. First we're going to get an old gallon jug and we're going to put half of the gallon of white vinegar into it. Use your funnel. We're going to measure, well actually, let's measure it right here. A gallon is 128, so it's 64 ounces, right? So we're going to need 2 of these. Here's 32 ounces. Just plain white vinegar from the store, the cheapest one you can find. There we go. We're going to do another one. Now we have a half gallon in each of the jugs. So we're going to make 2 gallons today. You like what you're watching? Press subscribe. Hit like. Then you do a quarter of this. This is 50 ounces. So a quarter will be 12 and a half. Let's just do about 12 ounces. 12 ounces into this one, and 12 ounces into this one. Which is, you see, it's all going. I've already made some with that one. So we put 12 ounces of the mouthwash. The plain one mouthwash you saw, it was kind of like the brown one. Don't get the blue ones or anything like that. Get the one that's like old, basic Listerine. Okay, this was 40 ounces, so we're going to put 10 ounces. 10 ounces into the measuring cup. A little bit more. We'll put them in here. And the 10 ounces that are left, we'll put in the other one. Now remember, I've already used some of this out of here, so you can make 4 gallons with this, you can make 4 gallons with that. And the rest of it goes in the other one. Now I haven't figured out the cost per ounce, but it's, I guarantee you, it's a lot cheaper than any store-bought one. Now we have here permethrin, 10%. You can get this at any Tractor Supply, you can get it in any feed store. They have this everywhere. This is used widely. I put an ounce into this one. Now you're probably asking, why are you using Listerine? Why are you using Listerine? Flies hate Listerine. I don't know what it is about it. They hate it. They don't like the vinegar. And the pine cleaner, it helps it stick to the horse. It helps it stick to the horse and stay on the horse. So now we got it all together. Now we're going to add water. Going to add water to each one. Fill up the rest of it. And we have immediately 2 gallons at a fraction of the cost of regular fly spray. Is I bought this little sprayer. You can either put it in regular spray bottles like these. You know, that'll work. But this, I like it because it's a lot faster. And because it's so cheap, I can put a lot of it on them and make sure that the horse is completely covered. So, I'm going to shake it up. And we're going to put some in this bottle. Now this is just a little spray you can buy at any hardware store. I think I got this one at Harbor Freight. Now we put it back in there. Now this is a brand new one, so let's see how it works. Pump it. There you go. And it's squirting. You can make it more of a stream. You can make it more of a spray. But all you need to do is press it, and it'll go all over your horse. So there. If you have any questions about it, as a matter of fact, in the comments, let me know what kind of fly spray you use. If you make your own, what your formula is, okay? And like I said, if you like this, hit subscribe.